Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm about to do a video on the hair that I have on. I'm still surprised that it actually blends in so well with my hair. And yeah, I did do a leave out. It's a sew in and a leave out, but I've washed this hair twice already. I've been getting a lot of questions about it since I posted it on my Instagram page. So I decided to go ahead and show you guys how I rock it. So yeah, I purchased this hair from groovybeautyproducts.com, and this is an online store or a website where they sell a whole lot of stuff. Like, I actually shop there. They have accessories, they have jewelries, they have hair, they have bags. I've gotten a few of their bags and they are so sturdy, they are durable, they are really well made, and I will highly recommend you shop there. I'm gonna leave the link to purchase the hair down below in my description box. Guess what? They have two different types. They have one without closure and they have another one with closure. So you can get like the 3-piece, one without closure. So that is what I purchased. I have the 18 at the bottom, 16 here, and 14 on top. I got it for a pretty good deal. I cannot really remember how much I purchased it for, but I will definitely leave the link down below in my description box so you can check it out. Actually, you can get the same length if you want to do a fro. So just in case you want to do a fro, you can get like 12, all 3 bundles. You can get 12 inches and you will get like a really pretty fro. I did a sew in, I did a leave out, I left my parameter, so I left around the hair. I also left like the center part as well. Let me insert a picture. So this is how it looks center part, and this is how it looks side part. All I used to wash the hair was conditioner. I just put the conditioner in for like 5 minutes and then I washed it out and I left it to air dry. So let's go and I'll show you the process. Let me give you a close-up of how the hair looks after like I wash it. It's been like 10 minutes since I came out of the shower, so the hair is still wet because I'm about to like put products in, and usually when I'm putting my products in my hair, I want my hair to be a little damped before I apply my product. I did do a leave out, and I'll show you how it looks after I style it. So this is my natural hair, and I'm going to show you how I style my natural hair and also how I style the Brazilian kinky hair. First, I spray my hair with kind of like detangle it with my hand. Now I'm going to be using like Kinky shea butter for natural hair, and this is the coconut curling cream. I'm going to go ahead and apply just a little bit to my hair, and now I'm going to be applying my Shea Moisture Curling Gel softly. This is how it looks. It looks like gel, but it's not really like a gel, like eco styling. So I'm just going to take a little bit of that. So I will apply that to my hair, and then I will do a twist out. I'm going to do the same thing to this leave out as well. I did leave my parameter, so I left all around, and also I left the center part, but I will not touch the center part today because I will not be leaving the center of my hair out. So I'm just going to leave that out. Get with water, just a little tiny bit. Into my natural hair, like so. If you don't get money, hide your face. I hide my face, make another man begin. So with the hair, I'll be using my spray bottle again to like spray just a little bit of water in it. Then I'll use a white tooth comb to detangle it. This is how it looks after I combed it. Now I'm gonna use my Kinky, the same product that I use for my hair. I'll go ahead and like just use just a little bit and apply that to the hair. Like try to distribute the products throughout the entire hair. After that, I'm gonna use the Shea Moisture Curling Softly and apply that in my hair as well. Just use a little tiny bit. That is what I have, and distribute that in this section. This part is done. Now I'm gonna move on to the other sections. Take another section. Tie the rest of the hair in the back again. Spray it with water. Then comb it. Oh my god, look at how amazing the hair looks. Guys, look at that. Look at the curls. Oh my goodness. Ooh, look at that. Okay, let's move on to the next. So after I detangle this one, I'm gonna go ahead and apply my product again. I'm gonna do the same step I did with this side and my natural hair. So apply the product in the hair, make sure I distribute it throughout the hair, then apply this. So I'm just gonna do the same thing that I did to these two sections throughout the entire hair. So this is the shorting I got. The first time I actually washed it, I think I got half of this. Like the first time ever washing, detangling, and going through the whole process, I got like half of this, which is pretty cool. So I didn't get a whole lot of shedding. Okay, anyway, so this is how the hair looks after like detangling, combing through, and applying all the products. After it dries up, I will come back and show you the final product. Okay guys, so it's been about 24 hours, but after it dried out, it poofed out a little bit, and I've been around and about. I went to the club last night, I danced a whole lot, so the curls kind of loosened up a little bit, but you can actually still see some definition. Let me bring it up closer a little bit so you guys can see how it looks. As I said earlier, I'm gonna leave all the description to the hair down below in my description box, and I hope you like this hair. I hope you purchase it because it's actually a great investment. I have somebody on YouTube here who purchased this hair and they've had it for 2 years. I'm guessing it's really good, especially if you take care of it, and I'm planning on having it for about the same amount of time, maybe 2 years, because you know it looks natural, it blends in very well with my natural hair, and I don't want to keep buying hair over and over again. So if I can just take it out, wash my hair, reuse it, redo it, I will really appreciate it, because I don't want to keep buying hair over and over again. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me in any of my social media sites, which I will leave down below in my description box. Before you leave, don't forget to thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell before you leave to get notifications every single time I post. Like, share, comment, leave a nice comment.
Fund them, link up. I contour, see them follow, tin simple, na sample.